Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm at Chicago Midway, heading out to Phoenix for the 2018 IPRO Innovations. Alright, I have made it into the hotel room, finally got to check in. The conference starts in about 30 minutes. I already did this thing where I got my name tag. There's a spelling error on it, probably my fault, but I thought I'd give you a quick tour of the room. Alright, so here's the room. I can see some mountains over there. I'm going to try to go run in there tonight. Although we'll see. I think we're going to be busy till about 6 o'clock, so we'll see if I have time to actually make it over there. 2 beds, look really comfy. Love the tile work in this floor. Bathroom looks pretty sweet. It's bigger than all of the bathrooms in my home put together. Tub, shower, real nice with the stonework. I like that. And I always like it when there's a spotlight over the toilet. It's like it's a performance then. So that's the room, real quick. The important stuff that I really wanted to see is going to be today. Although there's a little bit of a deeper dive tomorrow. They're debuting Case Director, which I think is what they're changing, Trial Director to Case Director. Case Director 360 to be precise, part of the 360 suite of products that they're now offering at IPRO, from like basically case intake to verdict. So that's what I'm going to be watching. Both of the sessions this afternoon. One is the intro, one is the deeper dive. I'm going to be going to those breakout sessions. Pretty excited about that, and it's a lot already today. Conference hasn't even started yet, but before we get to the conference, let's go over the swag bag. All right, so when we registered, we got one of these, which is cool. It has the event schedule taped on the back as if I were 5 years old. I'm actually going to find that really helpful though. And this really nice Under Armour, one of those like kind of like satchel bags, which I really like. This one's got a zipper pocket here. Ooh, it's full of snacks. Granola bars, nice. Fruit snacks, good. Excellent. Let's see what else is here. It's got a little mesh pocket on the side, good for keys, quick access stuff. I like that. Little IPRO luggage tag, I guess. This is the program, which didn't come in the bag. I put it in there. I got a bottle of water when I registered. It didn't come in the bag, but got a bottle of water. Then there's this, which is an IPRO. It looks like it's a double-walled thermos. This is really nice. It's heavy, it's solid. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I'll probably just leave this at the office because I have a clean canteen for home. And then this is the t-shirt that they gave us for the IPRO 360 stuff, e-discovery your way. Then we got this, a chill towel. I guess it's because we're in Arizona. It's logo branded. It's the kind of thing you get it wet, and then you wring out the water, and then evaporative cooling. I think that's how it works. This is heavy. I don't know what's in here. Whoa, this is nice. This is really nice. A portable speaker. It does have IPRO branding on it, and it's got a little hook, so you could clip it to something too. I've actually been, I was about to buy, like, it's cool, it's got like a little rubber door to keep water out, I guess. I don't know if it's water resistant or not. I'll take a look at some of this material later. But I was actually thinking about buying one of these. It's got a little mic hole here, so you can talk to it, use it as a speakerphone. I was actually about to buy one of these for my desk. So very timely, I like it. There's a phone button on here, mute, battery indicator lights, charging cables, sweet. So that's the swag bag. I'm gonna get freshened up here, and then I'm gonna head down, and we'll see what number 1, day 1, 3 o'clock. That's in like an hour. That's in like 45 minutes. Debut of Case Director 360, and then there's a break, and then 4 o'clock, getting started with Case Director, and then 5 o'clock, a deep dive into Case Director. That's pretty much everything I need to see for what I do here, although I am intrigued about learning a little bit more about e-discovery stuff. Interested to see what else I have here. Things back at the office are smoothing out as I thought they would. We had 4 trials that were starting all today, so I figured some of them would settle. We had 2 that were already going, 1 ended up settling halfway through, so I thought that might be the case with that one too. So it was funny, Kevin told me, texted me and said, I'll never doubt you again because you were exactly right on that. And I said, hold off on that because I'm either exactly right or exactly wrong. Today I just happen to be right. So I'm gonna get going. Should be pretty exciting.
And really excited to have you here. I'm excited. This is my first Innovations Conference, so really excited about that. And as Tammy said, this is actually really close. We're within 4 or 5 days of our 1-year anniversary since investing in IPRO. It has been a whirlwind of a year, and we're really excited. I'm excited to hear from you everything that you've seen and heard, and we're excited to talk to you a lot about what we've got going on and planned for the future.
I'm stoked to be here. I'm stoked to talk about Case Director 360. I wanted to start with how we got here and where we're going, and talk a little bit about how it's all kind of come to pass.
I just finished the main first session, heading out to the breakout sessions. So far I'm cautiously optimistic. I really like what I'm hearing. We're gonna get a little bit of a deeper look now. You can smoke in the casino here. It's really like weirding me out. Although I mean, I guess for casinos that's normal, but I'm just not used to like smoking indoors anymore.